Hi everyone, I'm Muhammad Musa and welcome to EdgeTech. Today I'm going to show you how to partition your disks using MiniTool Partition Wizard. It's a user-friendly tool that helps you manage your storage effectively. Let's dive in. I will show you how to create partitions, then walk you through the other useful features. So I'm going to give you a quick explanation of each useful tool here. First, we have Migrate OS to SSD/HD Wizard. This feature helps you transfer your operating system from an HDD to an SSD. Perfect if you are upgrading your drive. It clones your system without needing to even reinstall with the Windows. Now the next one is Copy Partition Wizard. This is used to duplicate an entire partition to another drive. It is ideal for backup purposes and it is designed to be safe even if there is power outages. Next, Copy Disk Wizard. This makes a full copy of one disk to another. Simple and effective. The next is Partition Recovery Wizard. This helps you recover deleted or lost partitions from a drive. It's very useful for accidental data loss. And we have Move/Resize Partition. You can use this to adjust your partition sizes or split them into more sections. And then we have Merge Partition. This helps you combine adjacent partitions into one. Then we have Split Partition. This helps you divide one partition into two for better organization. Now the next one is Change Cluster Size. A cluster is simply the smallest unit of storage on a disk, right? So we have larger clusters which improve large file performances and it can cause space wastage, while smaller clusters save space but may cause fragmentation. Next, we have Convert NTFS to FAT. This helps you switch between these two file systems depending on your storage needs or device compatibility. They are used to organize and store data on storage devices. Now we have Delete Partition. This helps you remove partitions you no longer need. And you have to check your data, your current data, because it's going to erase everything on the partition. And next we have the Format Partition. This prepares the partition for use by erasing all existing data and resetting its file system. Then we have Align Partition. This improves disk performances, especially on SSD. MiniTool uses 4K alignment for better efficiency. And we have Wipe Partition. This permanently erases all data, making it very difficult or maybe impossible to even recover the lost data. And for the next one, the partition type ID can be changed. This lets the system know what type of partition it is. Is it a recovery one or a bootable? With this tool, you can also change the serial number, and every hard disk has a unique ID, and you can change this if needed, especially for software licensing issues. Next, we have Hide Partition. This makes a partition invincible in File Explorer for privacy and system protection. Now the next one is Check File System. This scans and fixes file system errors, probably caused by improper shutdown or hardware issues. Then we have Explore Partition Tool, which is similar to the File Explorer, which lets you browse the content of your partition. Then we have the Surface Test, which checks your drive for bad sectors or errors. It's useful for monitoring your disk health. Then we have Partition Properties, which gives you detailed information about your partition, including space usage, partition type ID, sectors per cluster, and others. And then we have Data Recovery, which helps you recover accidentally deleted files or lost data from your disk. Now to create a partition, you have to select the disk that you want to create a partition on. You right click, then you go to Split. Here you can see the original partition size, which refers to one part of the disk that you want to divide, and then the other part refers to the new one, which is the new partition size. So you can move this slide to the left or right just to create the division. That is very easy, or you can just type it here to just make the division. So one part of it, the left side, is the original partition size, which you can just type anything there, and then the other side is the new partition size. After that, you click on OK, then you apply, and you click on yes, and now the partition has been successfully made. Now let me show you how to merge partitions. So you right click on the first partition, then you go to merge. You click on next, then select the second partition here. The first partition has already been selected, so select the second partition, then click on finish. After that, you click on apply, then yes. If you want to extend your partition, click on the first partition, then click on extend. Now here you can move the slide to the right and to the left any way that you want it. So you can just move it the way that you want into the other partition and just leave it there. After that, you click on OK, and that's it. Click on apply and yes. So all that this is going to do is to give you an extra space from the other partition, but you cannot take all the space in the other partition, so it just extends, it doesn't merge. Then we have the disk benchmark, which is great for performance check. It measures your disk read and write speed. Then we have the space analyzer, which shows a detailed breakdown of storage usage and even sort files according to extensions. And that's all for today's walkthrough. If you found this video helpful, like, comment, subscribe for more tech tutorials from EdgeTech. We are EdgeTech and you are the reason. Thanks for watching.